If you're over 60 and noticing your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, you've likely been told it's just aging, but that's not the full story. The real culprit? A silent deficiency in 3 critical vitamins. Your body needs to rebuild leg strength. These nutrients are natural, affordable, and, here's the kicker, not profitable for big industries, so they're rarely advertised. Most doctors don't even bring them up. Yet the science is undeniable. One vitamin deficiency can triple your fall risk after 60, slow muscle recovery by 37%, and increase leg cramps by 42%. Today, we're revealing the top 3 vitamins every senior should take before bed to restore leg strength fast. One of them, proven to boost strength by 31%, is barely used by seniors. Why? Because the root cause isn't profitable to fix. Without these vitamins, your legs, your foundation, start to crumble. Muscles can't recover and nerves can't signal properly. Recent studies show seniors taking these vitamins at night report better balance, less leg pain, and faster muscle repair in just days. All the information here is backed by research. Before we dive in, let me know where you're watching from in the comments and share your age and any vitamins you currently take. Type 1 if this resonates with you, 0 if it doesn't. We're reading every comment and offering personalized tips based on your needs. Let's get started with the first vitamin, one most seniors barely get enough of. Third place, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a powerhouse for leg strength, stable movement, and muscle repair. But few seniors realize its importance. When B12 levels drop, your legs start to fail, not just from muscle loss, but from a breakdown in the connection between your brain and legs. B12 acts like a power line, linking nerves and muscles. After 60, your body's ability to absorb B12 from food like meat, fish, or eggs declines because your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, which unlocks B12 from proteins. The National Institutes of Health reports up to 43% of seniors have low or borderline B12 levels, often without knowing it. Symptoms creep in slowly: numb feet, tingling calves, stiff legs. Then one day your knees buckle when you stand. Why? B12 helps build and maintain the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves. Without it, nerves weaken, and your brain's signals can't reach your legs, leading to slowness, unsteady steps, foot dragging, and nighttime leg cramps. A 2017 study in neurology found seniors with low B12 were 60% more likely to fall and nearly 3 times more likely to struggle with walking. Timing matters most. Your body repairs nerves and muscles during sleep, but without B12, this process stalls. Taking B12 before bed ensures it's available when your body needs it most. Methylcobalamin, the active form, is best for seniors, especially if you have digestive issues. Sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue bypass the gut, entering your bloodstream directly. Studies show seniors restoring B12 levels see better muscle control, faster nerve responses, and stronger leg contractions in 10 to 14 days. One case study reported a senior who couldn't walk for more than 10 minutes regaining full mobility after 6 weeks of nightly B12. This isn't a miracle, it's basic nutritional science. If your legs feel numb, twitch at night, or you're unsteady, start with B12 tonight. The longer your nerves go without it, the harder it is to regain strength. Second place, vitamin D3. You might think vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin, is just for bones. But after 60, it's a game changer for leg muscles. Over 70% of seniors are deficient in D3, and the consequences are clear: weaker legs, slower recovery, and more falls. D3 does more than help with calcium. It drives muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds and repairs muscle fibers. After 60, muscle recovery slows, and low D3 makes it worse. accelerating sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that hits your thighs, glutes, and calves first. You feel it. Standing is harder, stairs take longer, and your world shrinks. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed seniors taking D3 at night had a 34% drop in falls and a 19% boost in leg strength over 3 months. Why? D3 activates muscle receptors, which are most active during deep sleep when growth hormone peaks. Taking D3 before bed aligns with this repair cycle. It also tames muscle inflammation, easing that burning in your calves or aching thighs. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Aging found D3 deficient seniors had twice the nighttime leg pain and slower muscle repair. Those taking D3 before bed saw faster walking speeds, better balance, and less pain in 6 weeks. Sunlight isn't enough. Your skin produces 75% less D3 after 60, even with daily walks. Supplements are key. Aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU of D3 nightly, with a small fat source like avocado or nuts for absorption. Taken 20 to 30 minutes. Before bed, it won't disrupt sleep and may even improve it by calming nerves and reducing cramps. If your legs feel tight, recovery is slow, or your gait is unsteady, D3 could be the missing piece. First place, vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is the unsung hero for leg strength, yet most seniors have never considered it. Unlike K1 from leafy greens, K2, found in aged cheeses, meats, and fermented foods like natto, reverses muscle and bone decline. If your legs ache, feel unsteady, or your knees creak, your body may be starving for K2. It's a calcium traffic cop, directing calcium to your bones and away from arteries, joints, and soft tissues. Without K2, calcium goes rogue, stiffening blood vessels and joints while weakening bones. A 2021 study in Nutrients found seniors taking K2 nightly saw a 21% increase in quadriceps strength and 31% better standing balance in 8 weeks. K2 works best at night when muscles and bones repair fastest. It pairs perfectly with D3. D3 pulls calcium into your blood, and K2 ensures it reaches your bones, not your arteries. Without K2, D3 alone can worsen stiffness. K2 also activates osteocalcin, a protein that boosts bone growth and muscle glucose metabolism, improving leg endurance and blood sugar control. A clinical trial in Aging and Disease showed seniors taking K2 had better circulation and stronger legs after nightly doses. Since K2 is rare in modern diets, supplements are crucial. Look for MK7, the most absorbable form, at 100 to 200 micrograms nightly with D3. Taken before bed, it signals your body to rebuild while you sleep, unlocking D3's full potential. If stairs are harder or your legs tire by noon, K2 could be the key. How to start tonight. Integrating these vitamins is simple. Start with sublingual methylcobalamin, B12, 1,000 micrograms. 30 minutes before bed, no food needed. Add D3, 2,000 to 4,000 IU, with a small fat source like nuts taken with K2, 100 to 200 micrograms MK7 at the same time. Keep them by your toothbrush or bedside for consistency. Take them an hour apart from medications, unless your doctor says otherwise. To amplify results, adopt 3 habits. Stay hydrated. Sip water every 90 minutes during the day to boost nutrient delivery. Stop an hour before bed to avoid sleep disruption. Dehydration cuts leg endurance by 14% per a Journal of Aging research study. Eat light at night. Avoid heavy sugary dinners. A small protein portion with greens 2 hours before vitamins maximizes absorption and reduces inflammation per Clinical Nutrition. Move gently before bed. Do 5 minutes of leg extensions, ankle circles, or heel raises to boost blood flow. A 2021 geriatric rehabilitation study showed this increased leg circulation by 22%, reducing stiffness. Your next steps, these three vitamins, B12 for nerves, D3 for muscles, and K2 for calcium and repair, tackle the root of leg weakness. No drugs, no intense workouts, just science-backed action. Start tonight and track your balance, pain, and strength over 2 weeks. Share your story below. Do you take these vitamins? Will you start tonight? Type 1 if you're with me, 0 if not. Like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Your legs carry you through life. Let's keep them strong.